Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a booking on Expedia. Whether your plans have changed or you simply need to make adjustments to your travel arrangements, knowing how to properly cancel through Expedia can save you time and potentially help you recover some of your costs. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Expedia.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in successfully, look up to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find an option labeled Trips. Click on that to access your travel bookings. Once you're in the Trips section, navigate to the Book tab. This is where Expedia stores all your active reservations. You'll see a complete list of all your bookings and flights that are currently scheduled. This makes it easy to manage everything in one central location. Now, if for some reason you can't locate your specific booking or flight in the list, there's an alternative route you can take. Look for an option that says Find Your Booking and click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter your itinerary number, which you should have received via email when you made your original reservation. After entering that number, click Continue to proceed. Once you've located the trip you want to cancel, click on that specific booking to open it. This will bring you to a detailed view of your reservation. Wait a moment for the booking details page to fully load. This page is important because it shows your complete itinerary, including your travel dates, booking specifics, and the total cost you paid. Review this information to make sure you're canceling the correct reservation. After confirming you have the right booking open, look for the Cancel button and click on it. This initiates the cancellation process. Pay close attention now because a cancellation policy section will appear on your screen. This is crucial information that explains any fees you might incur or the refund amount you can expect to receive. Different bookings have different cancellation terms, so read this carefully. If you're comfortable with the refund amount or any penalty that's shown, go ahead and click Cancel to move forward. On the next screen, you'll be asked to confirm that you understand the penalty, if any applies. This is Expedia's way of making absolutely sure you're aware of the financial impact before proceeding. Look for a button that says Confirm or Yes, Cancel My Booking, and click it to finalize the cancellation, and that's it. You've successfully canceled your Expedia booking and should receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details of your cancellation and refund information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.